This is the door that opened up a little while ago. So I would love to see that door open up again. I don't know if you'd be able to do that while I'm here, but so I feel like I can't quite tell what part of this house is the original part of the house and what isn't, because it feels like it was a small, like it was very small, square, simple little kind of cottage, or however you want to call it. I can't tell if I'm talking to the original owners of the property. I feel like there's not that many owners of this property, but originally there is this older couple here. She spends more time outside. Like, she was really outside a lot. And this gentleman is here trying to get her attention. Like, she's not aware that he has. I feel like she's not aware that he has passed. That's the feeling that I'm getting. And he's trying to get her attention. He's trying to make it so that she knows. The door opened. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to close it again. Okay. Thank you. Now, it is not windy outside, just so you guys know. It's very calm. Do you see it? Okay, I'm going to actually close it. Okay? Can you open it again for me? There's no breeze outside. This door is there's no reason for it to be opening. But I feel like she spent a lot more time. Just trying, you can hear it. She spent a lot more time outside. Because she really, I want to say like an eccentric woman. Maybe, I don't know if would you call yourself kind of an eccentric woman? Yes. Okay. Because I kind of feel that way. And that's, some people look at that as like a negative. Do you hear it? Oh my God. Thank you. You can hear the latch, and it opens. Okay. Thank you.